Okay, next thing is question. A question which we are going to solve together so that I can explain you. Consider a disk with 16 total platers, two recording surfaces on each plater, 1 kilo tracks per surface, 2 kilo sectors per track, 2048 bytes of sector capacity, disk rotation का speed is given 3000 rpm. rpm means rotations per minute. Seek time directly given 10 millisecond. This seek time right now given directly, but through some questions we will solve some questions and we will calculate this seek time specifically. हम इस सीक टाइम को कैलकुलेट करना सीखेंगे आगे के लेक्चर्स में बाद में. ओके, फर्स्ट इज फाइंड द कैपेसिटी ऑफ द डिस्क. Okay, good. It's very simple question. How we can easily understand the formula? Remember the formula? No. Fine, no worries. I remember. Number of 2 into number of platers 16 into number of tracks per surface 1k into number of tracks per number of sectors per track 2k into one sector capacity 2048 byte is actually 2 kilobyte, so it will be 2 into 2 power 4 2 power 5 into 2 power 10 2 power 15 plus 11 15 plus 11 26 plus 11 37 2 power 37 bytes. How much it is? 128 gigabyte. It is less, yes, it is less for your computer system, but enough for your mobile phones, I guess. Good, Nirmal. Second, number of bits required for addressing the disk. उसके लिए number of sectors निकालने पड़ेंगे. See, look at this. Number of bits required for disk addressing is log of ns. Ns is number of sectors in the disk. Number of sectors in the disk is what? Remove this capacity. 2 into 16 into 1k into 2k. That is number of sectors. So number of sectors will be 2 into 16 into 1k into 2k, 2 power 26. Hence, what will be the address size? Address size will be equal to 26 bits. Good, 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 Amit. Good, Nirmal. Third one is find the disk access ka time. Okay, we are not going to discuss this one in this particular course. We will discuss this in the COA when we will be connecting this with DMA and other things. Find disk access ka time. Okay, what is the disk access time? Disk access time we know. What is the disk access time? Can somebody tell me? Formula is what? Seek time plus rotational latency plus one sector का ट्रांसफर टाइम. Okay, fine. So seek time given in the question directly. How much? Look at this, 10 millisecond. Okay, good, 10 millisecond plus rotational latency. We know that average rotational latency is one rotation ka time divided by 2 plus one sector transfer time is one disk rotation time divided by number of sectors per track. Number of sectors per track is number of sectors per track 2k, 2k sectors per track. So one rotation का time divided by 2k, but we don't know one rotation का time, which we will have to put here and here. कैसे निकलेगा? It is 8th class mathematics question. Through RPM, how to calculate one rotation का time. One rotation का time कैसे calculate करेंगे? It's very simple रे बाबू. See, in 3000 rotations, how much time disk takes? How much time disk takes? In 3000 rotations, disk takes 1 minute. 1 minute means 60 second. See, other quantity is given in millisecond, so I'm converting this second also in millisecond. 1 second is 1000 milliseconds, so it becomes 60,000 milliseconds. Hence, for one rotation, how much time the disk will take? One rotation, disk takes is equal to 60,000 millisecond divided by 3000. Simple. It's a simple mathematics. No sir, हमको नहीं आता. तो फिर क्या करता तुम्ही? Okay, great. 60,000 divided by 3000 millisecond. Answer is how much? 20 millisecond. 20 millisecond. Okay, that's it. So 20 millisecond you can put here. 20 millisecond divided by 2. Yes, and 20 millisecond divided by 2k. Fine. When you are calculating time, you can take kilo s 10 to the power. When you are calculating addresses and size, you are taking ks 2 to the power 10. You can interchangeably use it. 2 power 10 is equal to 1000, 10 to the power 3. So whenever you require, you can convert anything. It becomes 10 plus 20 divided by 2000, almost 2 divided by 200 or 1 divided by 100, 0.01. So becomes 20.01 millisecond. That is the answer. Kind of almost this much answer will be there. This is the answer. 20.01. Yes, Amit. Good. चलो बहुत बढ़िया, शानदार. Okay, great. So this was like disk structure. Okay.
It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging gate contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test
and battle it out with the best.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for gate till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
with detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack gate deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate gate challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.